I think it's a hat.
What you got?
Should try out, kid.
Rainbows are on there. Go ahead, go ahead.
What's in the big box?
Got the first piece here.
Oh, lampshade. Going to a party?
Important awards. They come back here? Yes. They come back. No.
I gotta be careful because this is fragile.
They're coming back again, Dave. They're coming back again.
We'll take care of it in a minute.
Okay.
We'll videotape them.
That's a good idea, Dad. You should do
You gotta be able to take them before they're gone.
it. Look, Dave, it's Italian. Fragile.
I know.
It's sneaking in. I'm getting away from these. He's pulling out a knife.
That's a good idea. You move over there. He's pulling out a knife. Please survive the time. Oh my God. Lampshade. Oh, you're a sick puppy.
Oh, it's the other woman in my life.
Oh, yeah, really. Oh my God.
Hayden, what is that?
He doesn't know. He's got this look on his face. He's like, what's wrong with Uncle Dave? He's got this look on his face, like.
Oh, careful, that's a light bulb.
Yeah, let's.
Maybe.
Or
Or piece in there.
No light bulb? Oh, okay.
Nothing in here.
So what's the damage before we go? Well, we have light bulbs. Directions? You have to have directions? Make sure we're
Good, making sure there's nothing on it.
You got to put it in the window, of course, you know.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Well,
what
you're
it
doing
was.
that
He
corner.
had it
You're
on
doing
the
that
window,
corner.
on the table, right. 100 watt. What's the tape?
Probably 60.
Probably would be 60, right?
60.
Uncle Dave's toy. Here, carefully handle this package, Dave. No? Okay, alright. I'm going to do it. Here you go, Dave. Yeah, it's getting taken down when the Christmas decorations come down.
It's all good.
Nikki, you can put it back up next Thanksgiving. Yeah, and Lisa's like, are you really going to let him have that in the living room? I'm like, no, of course not. What?
The bulb.
Don't drop it.
Oh, darn. It doesn't even feel good to plug it in.
Don't go breaking my stuff now, woman. You saw what happened in the movie.
Yeah, she survived.
Aiden's waiting for the unveiling.
I know.
Why does it not want to screw that?
New clothes in this box. Or you can put them in this box. How much do we have? No, it's
The
clothes.
fast bag.
We open the window so our neighbors can see it.
I'm sure there's yeah, you know what? When on New Year's when we have people over, I'm gonna get everyone to stand out in the street and look at it. Like everyone's go outside now.
That's awesome.
Oh, sorry, I didn't think about it. You went Peter Cross.
Oh, I hope.
There they are. Over there.
Yeah, we see.
dedicated to the movie. I should have had you do it and say, this